Yeah man, remember you know, like, share and subscribe. When you see that video here, I first video me I post in a long time. When I've watched a video till the end because I pee a dead body in that video here, you know. But the more to big up the sponsor, Better Pack Curry, cause you don't know me get my sponsor on board. And big up Matthew, one Matthew on the app, you see me? Them man they are really a do ball game, you see me? So you don't know. Like, share, subscribe. I'm half a big up John. John edit that video here. Go over John Fishing Adventure and like, share and subscribe. I'm a picnic that. Subscribe, I'm a picnic that. Yes, so now go over there and give dog a shout. Dog me couldn't can get video today. Cause me have a camera, but me not an editor, and the bro just edit for me. So just big up on yourself, big up Better Pack Curry, like, share, subscribe. Watch a ball game, man. Yeah, grand rising, my people. Pleasant good morning. So we're out here on the bridge and you don't know. Like, share, subscribe. Honey Dog Wildlife. Don't know, we have James. And we have Vickers down here, so but Vickers look like him a walker come up. Come out here from morning and see the kingfish them a run down the mullet them. Hard people. Let me tell you, say hard them a run down people. Hard. So, me I go over on that side there and see if I can find the mullet them. So, stay tuned. Remember, like, share, subscribe, and just stay tuned on the channel. Watch what I go on. See if I can go get to the mullet them for put on line and set up. Yes, me I took up in it here now. Yeah, man. We put on some extra rope on it, my peeps, for throw up on the high part of the bridge. Yeah. So me out here I throw 2 net. Me have 1 whole net I throw down in a hole down there so for bait them. Cause you know through the stone them down there so you don't want to throw the new net and go damage it up. You get me? So we are go on the journey now. Yeah, my people. Come on the journey here now. Sure no. When me a walk, when me have to go through for reach around there. It's a forbidden spot still, you know. But you know, we have to do it. And them terrain we have to go through. I want to reach nowhere yet. Round a one place, round a one part. Want them. Yeah, my peeps. So I look a mongoose around the see my run and go there, sir. No! Supposed to catch that. Mongoose them over here, enough for them peeps. Yes, when they stay some bombs and set on, they say they run on the rock side and catch all the snook. If you ever put on that ground and not look back, man. All I hear gone, your fish gone. All the little mongoose there take up all 4-pound fish. And I skate on the tool and gone left you with it. Yeah man, a regular time I see man put on their fish man. And then skate it away. And I my bridging them catch him first snook. And the only fish for you all day. And the man scale it and say I'm going to take up water, peeps. By the time the man come back, I spot him, see. All him here in the bush. Yo! I'm serious out there, man. And them my taxman out there, so. You think a shark? Them boy there taxman. Yeah, man. They're on the journey, people. No, you probably don't want to see them things out. Me I show you where me have to go through. Forget the good bait them. And for catch 2 fish. But you don't know, man. Tough. Yes, people. We reach. We reach. One big chunk there, saying people. I don't know, come like sitting there take you away, like water take you away. Yeah, the water clear, man. My God. take out the net now and try and make it first throw. But I wonder if I cover the water cover the stump. So I'm not going to throw right here so people come in the water. The net go around the stump and then we have to go in the water for it. That would be tragic. Let's cut the video then I'm going to see my whole journey. Because I have to see say a heartache and pain will go through out here. Alright, first cast people. Nice throw. Good spread, good distance. I could see what God have in a store for you know. Feel no bounce in the net yet, but we are going to look. First throw, nothing. So guys, me have problem. The water too crystal clear. Let me just see the big body and mullet. And by the time if I walk down on them for throwing it, then go so zoops, everybody fly gone. Water too crystal clear, my people. You see me? Me have problem. Them a run from the net. So me can't get for throw over them. Oh Jesus Christ, my people, I wanna have the luck. Jesus Christ, I wanna have the luck. Wanna make me find them. Yes, Jesus Christ, I find the one of them. Yes, my people, I wanna have the luck them. See the bullet them here. Boy, one drop, one drop, one drop. Jesus Christ, my people, wanna make me find them. Wanna make me find them. I wanna have the luck, people. All right, so me I get up some water now. See them there. See them the people? Yeah. So me I get up some water. I wanna have the look people. We should have really interest on the depth on my camera. That's why I'm not edit out. Nothing out of my video them. I love when I'm on the depth on my camera. So on the depth on my camera, I wanna bring powers in my life. I like that. I wanna full of dynamic and powers and strength. I'll snook in the net, my people. I'll snook in the net. Alright. So, my people, look at what we have now. We have a plethora of things here. So we have snapper, we have snook, we have ladyfish, we have the see look at snook there. Alright, so mullet. So mullet, 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 two snook, two snapper. You get me? See them peeps. Yeah, see look a baby snapper here. I'm gonna show him back. People like this name bone finger. See that one I look like baby Jack? Let me see if you can see him better on the lighting. He may look like baby Jack. He may lick your bad. Bust off your finger. Yeah, make you get pain. So see me them people. So me look. Yeah, like a Zaro. So me cheddar now. See net on my back. So me I go up there. So stay tuned, watch your journey, and we're gonna reach up at top. Yeah, my people. Remember, like, share, subscribe. One on the dog lifestyle. We alone do them things. Go ninja, go. Go ninja, go. Go ninja, go. Go. Yo. Up me up there now. Chippy in the turbo here now. Up there. Yeah. Yes, Father God. James, come for that partner. Tired. Come for that partner. Can't go no more, my boy. I eat this. Strike him, no one else drop food. Go on. Come in. Jack. 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 Yeah, man, I'm kill him, man. Who down there? Who down there? No, man, hook him, man, hook him. Him give board, Man. Oh, alright, go on. Alright, me never see you. Me never see you. You never see. Pull the clip, Civil. Me have one next one up there. Pull the clip, Civil. Up there, so here. Me have one next one up there. Wet your finger, bust in pectoral fin. Alright. Just cut it now, man. Just cut it, lead the line. Alright, watch out. Him hook properly. Hold on there. Alright, give thanks. Okay, kids, stay up there. Yeah, watch around there. Thanks. Yeah. No. Yeah. Respect my boy. You start catch fish now, I don't give one fish or catch fish. None I mullet them, bro. Not the one I mullet them. Well, I'm take that hook out time out. You bleed him? Yeah. Run the pussy them run in, you know. Alright, go on up. Good? Yeah. Set up back again. Them down there, sir. What you mean? More than I'm afraid. I know my head sick already. killer.
Yeah, you.
Double Dutchy out there, coach my father.
Double.
Double Dutchy.
The deaf. I know how you.
They don't know me how. I'm tell you, say, yeah. When you touch them, wet your finger, man. So you have to do it.
Yeah.
Yeah, bleed them. Me taste better so. Yeah, man. Double.
Yeah, you know say, barely catch him on the
I doubt me, I tell the man, say, don't lift him.
Cookie, a ramp, cookie just ramp to the man thing, you know.
Me, I tell her, say, no lift him, man.
You're right now, right?
No, me not alright. Me still want 4 more.
Oh, you mean?
Cause we have to pay for who can come and see it today. Them there, man.
Oh, 4
Believe me, no.
Them there.
Hope your son have to come and get bait and set them on. Toffee, Sprat, chop up all of them things there.
That's it.
It up your son.
Yeah,
man. No, do that, man. What that? Alright, thank you. Me I go back right away too. But my dog you own, you know. But take one said here, man.
Give thanks, everybody.
Me have to tell you, give thanks can you come help me say to you.
You know it's a child, you know that they want to see a big ass come up out of the water.
A baby there, yeah.
No, we know it's a baby, but a big fish compared to what we are catch on there.
Got a true still. Double, you know. And I right in the channel let them there, you know. Eh? Yeah. Too much red out there for we not give up a while ago. Yo, the camera still.
Big jack in the turbo.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, large, man.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, large.
Nice boy, man. Believe.
Stay up, boy.
What you do? Walk him?
The line, you know, watch me. I do like a tight tire on it.
Hold on. No man, in a time, man.
Sure.
Me I tell you, see there?
Oh, so much like him go around it one time. You have me?
No, me not know it. Walk, boy.
No gloves. Can I drive up in a 100-pound line, you know?
Alright, come.
100-pound line.
You sure you say move properly?
Yeah, man, you can't see all like so like, man. Go on, man. So like, man, it's solid, man. It's solid, man. It's solid up, man. It's dead, man.
Yeah, peeps. Online a jack up on the bridge. This is when you know your gear is good. Yeah. Whoa. Yeah, my peeps. Billy.
Scrub jack, you know.
Yeah, man, I realize that scrub man.
It never float in a turbo. It eventually sink at the amount of weight. That's why it never float go out.
Well, that's a good sign. That's a good sign. That means we have hope then. One pop up on the up, you know, man. And this man has strike it, you know, man. Yeah, man, the whole family there, the whole team. I live him over the bridge and see that live.
Teacher, I can laugh off of your treble.
Rank!